make up, make out, make over. But what about make into? Let's learn. Made into means transform something. એક વસ્તુને બીજી વસ્તુમાં બદલવી. Example. The company made the small idea into a successful business. કંપનીએ એક નાની વિચારધારાને સફળ બિઝનેસમાં બદલી નાખી. Now let's understand easy formula. Make plus A plus into plus B. Let's understand with example. Make water into ice. Make hobby into career. Now let's fix a common mistake. She made into a doctor. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. The correct is she made him into a doctor. Object required છે. So guys, don't just learn English. Make it into your power. Write in comment. I will make my dreams into reality. See you soon tomorrow.